Hey everyone, in this quick tutorial, I'll show you how to check your level in Booking.com and understand the Genius loyalty program. Booking.com has a tiered level system that gives you rewards, discounts, and exclusive offers as you book more stays. Let me show you how to view your current level. First, open your web browser and go to Booking.com. Make sure you're logged into your account. If you're not, sign in first. Once you're on the home page, look at the top right corner where your profile is displayed. Right under your name, you'll see your Genius level. For example, Genius Level 1. This is your current tier in the Booking.com rewards program. For more detailed information, click on your profile and select My Account. On this page, you'll see your level clearly displayed. As you scroll down, you can view the benefits of higher levels, like Level 2 and Level 3, which offer bigger discounts on accommodations, free room upgrades, and priority customer support. You can also explore rewards and learn what benefits unlock at each level. And that's it. Now you know how to check your Booking.com Genius level and track your rewards. Keep booking to unlock more perks and travel discounts. If this tutorial helped you, like and subscribe to Tutorial Maven for more Booking.com tips. Thanks for watching.